Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Hanisa Wanda binti Mazlan from SPT 3B. My matrix number is SPT 18027. In this video, I will show you the process on how to make a molten chocolate lava cake. For the recipe, you will need these ingredients. Start off with preheating your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Next, coat 2 6 ounces ramekins well with butter or cooking spray. Place them onto a baking sheet and set aside. Next, add the dark chocolate to a large heat-proof bowl and put it on top of a pot filled with hot simmering water. Add in the butter and wait until they melt around 20 to 30 seconds. This process is called a bain-marie method in French or a double boil method in English. Make sure to stir well until melted and smooth. Remove from heat and whisk in the powdered sugar until well combined. Then, add in the egg and egg yolk. Whisk well. Then add in the vanilla essence and mix until fully combined. After that, add in the all-purpose flour and mix until just combined, making sure not to overmix the batter. Next, evenly divide the batter between the two prepared ramekins. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 14 minutes or until the edges are firm and the center is slightly soft. Remove from the oven and allow to stand for 1 minute. Carefully flip the ramekins onto a small plate. Give it a small tap to loosen up the edges. And voila! The center of the cake should be soft, and when you cut it open, you should have a molten chocolate. Serve and enjoy! When cooking with sharp knives and intense heat, accidents are bound to happen in the kitchen. Understanding the hazard can help you and your family avoid cuts, workplace injuries, burns, and a bout of food poisoning. These are the rules and regulations you have to follow when in the kitchen. First things first is to wear safety boots. Ever drop a knife? Imagine that going into your food. Ouch! Wearing safety boots while you cook is always recommended. Not only will the boots protect you from a fallen sharp object, but they will also protect you from other kitchen mishaps such as broken glass and hot water or oil spills. Second thing is wear safe clothing. Do not wear long baggy sleeves in the kitchen. Can you imagine your sleeve catching fire on a gas stove? The outcome could be scary. In general, tops with fitted sleeve or no sleeves works best. Also, avoid wearing anything flammable or synthetic. When overheated, these fabrics can melt onto your skin. Next is always wash your hands. You would think this is a given, but people forget. Don't forget, it's important to wash your hands in hot, soapy water before and after cooking. Try to use paper towel to dry your hands afterward because if a dish towel touches any raw meats or juices, it can lead to a bad case of food poisoning. Next is to learn how to extinguish a fire. Cooking is the leading cause of fires and injuries that occur in our homes. Be sure to always have a fire extinguisher in your kitchen and know how to use it. It takes only seconds for a fire to get uncontrollable. Learn how different types of fires, such as grease and electric fires. Never put them out with water. Instead, your best bet to extinguish them is to use baking soda or a pan cover. Suffocating the fire by removing air is the best way to put out most fires. A fire inside your oven is best put out with an extinguisher, and a microwave fire can be put out just by turning off the appliance and keeping the door closed. That's all for my presentation on how to make a chocolate molten lava cake. Thank you for watching.